We're now going to solve a system of inequalities. So we can graph either one first. We treat it just like we do a regular equation. Um, so we're going to graph it where the y-intercept. Once again, I'll go ahead and show the scratch pad to help us see it. And so we've got the y-intercept of the first one here is at -5. So we're going to come down here and put a dot here at 5. And then we'll use this 1/6 as our slope of that line. So we go, as you remember, it's rise over run. So we go up 1 and then run 6 all the way over to here. So that's where we're going to put our two dots. Let's look at what we'll do on the next one, because when I get done with this, we'll just go ahead and plot it on the graph. So this one here, we start at a +4, so we go to 4. And then the change here, it doesn't look like, we don't have a fraction. But remember that any number can be written as a fraction. So I have a -3/1. So that means I'm going to come down 3 and over 1. And I'll draw my line here. Then we'll go ahead and use the tools um, to try it from there. So here we go, scratch pad. So the first one, we'll do the -5. And then we're going to do the second point. We'll rise 1. And then we're going to run 6. Now let's look at the line. This is this is a closed symbol, so we'll just leave it there. It is closed. All right, the next thing we're going to do is let's go ahead and shade it. So we'll go ahead and shade this one. So according to this, we have y is greater than all the stuff on the side. So I'm going to guess it's probably true here at 0, 0. But I want to just double check and just make sure, because we're just getting ready for doing tests and stuff. So let's do it, be accurate. So I'm going to try it at the origin, 0, 0. Okay, so we'll try it. The top one here will be 0 is greater than or equal to 0 minus 5. If that's a true statement, we're going to travel this side, and it does look true to me. So we'll go ahead then and use the area tool to click on this side of the line to shade that side. Now let's do the other line. So we'll use the line tool, go to +4, +4, and then as we did before, remember we go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and to the right 1. Now this time we're noticing that y is less than the line, and so fortunately for us, it just happened to work that way. It may not work all the time, but if you have to, you can always click on this tool and get more than one. Be careful though, because if you have too many of these, see, notice I have 3 shadings right here. That's what those little dots mean. It'll say that it's wrong, even though it looks right. So what I'm going to do is just undo what I did. Well, actually, let's use delete. Okay, I'm using delete. Then I can just click on the spots here and it'll go away. So I want to shade on this side of the line, right? Okay. And then we want to check it on the line that is the bottom one here. And so that says y is less than. So I think it's got to be on the bottom side. So that to make this correct, we'll just go ahead and delete this side. So we just have the side shaded that wants to be. It doesn't quite look right yet, but let's just check it real quick and see. Oh, 0 out of 1. I see. So remember, this is y is less than. It doesn't have the equals to, so we have to make that dashed. So we take the dashed, touch this line. There we go. Oops, I moved it. There it goes. It jumped back. Nice. Okay, so here it is. Now let's try it. As it checks the answer, you'll see I got 1 out of 1. All right. I hope you do well. Miss you guys. We'll see you. Bye.